Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Han Market, which is located over there. And we're gonna take a little stroll through the Han Market today. There are 4, or actually there are most likely 10 entrances to the Han Market. But we're gonna take the one which is the closest to the Han River. Marcus, is this a Germany flag? German flag here?
Yes, it seems like.
Huh.
Wow.
Okay, all right.
Finally.
Finally. So this here, Antoy, is very popular here. I think people have to wait outside to get in. It's crazy. It's most likely it's a Michelin recommended restaurant. But yeah, people have to wait in line. That's crazy. I don't know. I have never tried it. But here, this is the Han Market, and this is the food court right at the Han Market. We're gonna go and check it out. We're starting here with a coffee shop. And then we're gonna have yummy Central Vietnamese classics. Nuc Mia, what Marcus loves so much. You can buy coffee here. Interesting. It smells very strongly in here. Oh, it smells actually very bad. Think so? Oof. Smells bad here, right?
Yeah.
My God. Oof. Yeah. I don't know. I did not have that so bad in my mind. It's a very strong smell. I'm not sure what it was. All right, guys. Here you have to be careful. You will buy too much. You can buy all kinds of good stuff. Hello. Coffee, dried squid, dried beef jerky, and this here is very, very good. I can definitely recommend trying out the mangoes, the dried mangoes. So downstairs you can buy all kinds of souvenirs, coffees, all kinds of stuff, food related, and upstairs is the clothes. Let's check out if we find Marcus a t-shirt. Let's see if they have a plain black t-shirt and how much that costs. A t-shirt without Louis Vuitton on it.
Make it.
This is how it looks from above. Marcus, Crocs!
Yeah. You see, they have also the military ones.
My God. You need the adventure Crocs. Those are the Crocs of David, right?
Okay.
The adventure Crocs.
David has them, right?
Yeah. I think you can get Crocs here. That's definitely easy to get here. But hard to walk through.
These two, how much?
The ceilings are very low, very dangerous. You gotta be careful here. It's very tough to navigate around here. It's so packed.
어떤 거 살까요?
근데 이렇게 더 닮은 사람이 있어. 혹시나면은 발이 이게 발바닥 아픈 사람이 있고. Shoes.
이거 260kg.
They even have hookahs now here.
What do you think?
Oh my god, they have Asics here.
Oh yeah. Is it this one,
Yes,
right?
Asics. That's crazy.
Isn't it your favorite shoe?
I mean, this is not my type. I like the one specific Asics. Yeah. But it's not a good knockoff though.
Almost what you have, right?
I have those here. But also they will never have my size. Those look nice. Look at this Chanel hat. Maybe that was something for you.
I remember when I was younger, I chased the Air Force One.
Oh, yeah.
giá xin con bố anh bà có đối tượng gì vậy?
너 다섯 개 사. 아빠, 엄마, 니도 사라.
Oh, it's so packed. Marcus, I'm getting claustrophobic here.
Đây mà chạy vô.
Hello.
똑같아요. 기백기랑 다른 거 바꿔요. 아, 이거랑 똑같은 거잖아.
Look at this, they even have sambas here. Not sure if they look real or not.
그럼 14.
나 아니 나 저것도 사야 돼. 나
언니 어떤 거 골라?
나이키 코스.
Look at
Just
this.
have to point out, it's pretty hot here.
Yep. Let's see if they have some plain white, black shirts.
Oh yeah.
Do you have t-shirt with nothing on?
No brand.
No
No
brand?
brand, no label.
No, I have.
Thank you.
You have to have a Patagonia on it.
Đi ngoài nắng mà. Em đi nhiều mà.
Lots of dresses here as well.
Cái là 14.
Montclair. Ooh.
그래도 샀어 자기야.
You can also get some underwear. Why don't you wear this kind of Gucci shirt, man? Please. Please, Marcus.
You have shirts,
I want Marcus to wear this.
shirt, no brand.
I swear to God, I want to have him wear this. That would be so funny. Oh my God. Marcus, please, please, please wear this.
100% not. Why you
Please.
should wear it?
How many likes did you wear this?
I don't know.
Guys, comment below. Marcus, wear the Gucci shirt. Marcus, wear the Gucci shirt. I really imagine Marcus walking around with that. That would be
this
great.
one?
Oh, this is even better.
It's like the hipsters, right?
Yeah, you need to wear this.
You have shirt. You have a shirt, no brand.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Those Gucci shirts are so funny. Lots of Stussy and yeah, all kinds of funky brands here. Very interesting.
Số 0. Rồi, 2 bộ sơ rồng.
But the idiot pants are only $1.80. Very interesting. Marcus, they're just $1.80, 50,000 dong.
Cái gì vậy?
Zara.
이따 다시 올게. 이따 잠깐만.
뭐 이번
Thank you.
싼 바지보다 나은 것 같은데? 어리마.
이거 비싸. 이게 8이었어.
I'm getting drawn into here. Marcus.
Oh, Chino. No.
It's too much here. So all clothing are there, t-shirts, and then shoes are here, and hats as well. There you can also find some hats, but this is so packed here. But I think for women this is a paradise. Get all kinds of shoes here. Mini adventure Crocs, off-road adventure Crocs.
Here's the big ones, right? Is this what
Yeah.
David has, right?
Yeah, exactly. I think
I
you
look
need
so
those.
big.
Look at us.
Nah,
They
I
are
look
like
so big.
better to walk. No, it's okay. With your small feet, you're gonna be fine. Let's go downstairs here.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, they had no branded shirts.
Yeah, that's very sad. So, in Vietnam you have to wear Gucci. There's nothing else.
Gucci mochi. The only thing I want to wear is our brand.
Exactly. There you can also buy some mangosteen, some mangoes, durian, nuts. But yeah, you get the vibe. Let's go outside. Maybe we can find a mango smoothie place. And I would say,
Where are we?
I think how many?
This is the main entrance too, right?
That's the main entrance from the city center side.
Yes.
And pretty interesting there, there's a Con Cafe, very famous as well, very popular. But yeah, this is also here. You can buy some flowers. And right over there is the Han River again. Around the market, there are lots of shopping places as well with a little bit more high-end fakes, I would say. Or even real ones, just, I mean, not official ones, right? So if you're into that, it might be a very interesting place for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.